Welcome to MySale App tutorial. Today we will discuss about how to do a contra entry in MySale App. To record cash or bank entries of the business, we do a contra entry. We can do cash to cash or cash to bank or bank to cash entry here. So click on accounting. Select Contra. Firstly, we will see how to transfer the cash from the business to the bank account. Here I am depositing to ADCB Bank. So select ADCB Bank from the debit ledger. Then provide the amount. I am providing 1500 AED cash which get deposited to the bank account. Then click Add. In credit ledger, select cash as we are providing the cash. Then click Add. Then provide the narration as being cash deposited to bank account you can see the entry bank ADCB 1500 AED debit and cash 1500 AED credit. Then click save. Are you sure? Do you want to print or share? Click yes. Contra save successfully. Click OK. Next we will see contra entry when we withdraw the cash from the bank. So select cash in debit ledger. Then provide the amount. I am providing 5000 AED. That is, we are withdrawing 5000 AED cash from the bank. Click Add. Then select the credit ledger, that is ADCB Bank. Here we are withdrawing in the form of check, so we have to provide the check number. Then provide the narration. Being cash withdrawal from bank. You can see cash AED 5000 in debit, bank ADCB AED 5000 in credit, in which amount got deducted from the bank and cash got incremented. Then click save. Are you sure? Do you want to print or share? Click yes. Contra save successfully. Click OK. Next we will see contra for cash to cash entry, that is from main cash to sub cash or issuing a petty cash. So select petty cash Ahmad in debit ledger. Then provide the amount. Here I am providing 2000 AED. Click Add. Then select cash in the credit ledger. Then provide the narration. Being petty cash issued to Ahmad. You can see petty cash Ahmad, debit AED 2000, cash credit AED 2000. Click save. Are you sure? Do you want to print or share? Click yes. Contra saved successfully. Click OK. Next we will see bank to bank entry. So select ADCB bank in the debit ledger. Then provide the amount. I am providing 50,000. Click add. We can create a new ledger. So click on to create new ledger. We have to provide the ledger name. Here I am creating Emirates NBD. Then we need to change the account group to bank accounts. Then select list in payment mode. Yes. Click save. Ledger save successfully. Click OK. Then select Emirates NBD bank in the credit ledger. Then provide the narration. Being fund transfer from Emirates NBD to ADCB bank. You can see bank ADCB AED 50,000 debit, Emirates NBD AED 50,000 credit. Click save. Are you sure? Do you want to print or share? Click yes. Contra save successfully. Click OK. This is how we can do a contra entry. Thank you for watching.